One takeaway of 17th morning, ladies and gentlemen, and the takeaway from my straight from my mom, Shataka the best, while she's having in the morning before starting the homework, before starting the daily homework, the kitchen work. क्या गिरदी छे लगान ठीक मैंने मगर दांत छीन दांत चला एमी सित गते दांत गते मजबूत गते एमी सित can say. And ladies and gentlemen, the takeaway is that don't have Lipton tea dakosla in the morning. Have kahwa, have Kashmiri kahwa, saffron kahwa. That is the stomach healer. Otherwise the stomach will be upset. That is the takeaway, and that is the message from Shata Khe the best. इसीलिए सकोर तुम्हारी लिप्टन चाय हो सकती चमान लिप्टन चाय गिर्द वन कर सो इसके बटन क्या कहवाई चालू हैं क्या मम्मी तो क्या निंद्र आए हैं निंद्र आई है कब कब कर तुम चालू मोला हैं कब ठीक कब दंड हैप्पी शिवरात्रि लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन हैप्पी ठीक हैप्पी शिवरात्रि लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन that today 18th February 2023 the biggest religious functions in Kashmiri pandits culture and ethos and heritage for the last 5098 years. 5098 years as per the almanac, as per the jantri, as per the Kashmiri Panchang. Nech Patar, which is known as the Kashmiri parlance, Nech Patar. It is 18th January. That is the diktat, and that is the order, and that is the truth, and that is the decision, judgment from our 5098 years almanac. That 18th February 2023 is our Mahashivratri. Whatever it is, her Ratri or whatever the interpretation and the various theories maybe there is, but there is that 5098 years almanac. It says 18th February 2023 is the Mahashivratri, Har Ratri, Herath. So happy Herath to all of you, all the Kashmiri Pandits and all the living human beings and plant life and the animal life. Every creature innate on this mother earth, means that living and non-living on this mother earth and in the cosmos. Happy Shivratri, Mahashivratri. And it is going, the other point is that it is going to be the night of wake up means just to get all the energy from the cosmos, because spine should be erect. Spine is the pillar of the human body, and let's try to be awake all night also on this Mahashivratri. That's what used to happen. You say Kashmir man's us Thogr Kutis man's Karan Papaji's mission, and it used to be a late night religious festival. And that was Ivan Aisye Kusi was Ivan with me. Nandalal used to come. Thank you. God bless.